What's good, everyone? Welcome back to a trade recap. Today is March 25th. Today is a Wednesday, and today was pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie, probably the cleanest days I've seen in a while. Had some nice shorts to start off in market open. So we're gonna get into this trade recap here. So as market open, I seen that on the hourly that yesterday we came into CE at that 4 hour gap, and we reacted, but I see here that we're consolidating and it's like some type of resistance here that we can't get above. So therefore, I just wanted to see more rejection out of this area in the morning. And also I seen that during the sessions, these session lows down here were stacked, and it was below true day open. Anytime I see session lows below true day open, 9 times out of 10 I like to play a trade that's going to go to those lows, because below true day open is in discount, and these lows are in discount, so I would want price to go back to these lows, take them out, which is later in the day it did. At the time, we did have an SMT with these lows, which is why this move went up. But unfortunately, we wanted to take out these lows due to the fact that we have FOMC today. And so we're going to get into this trade recap of how I caught these shorts in the morning. So in the morning, as market open, we pumped up, manipulating all the traders, and we created a SMT with this high, and this high here is a daily SMT, so therefore I wanted to see a strong reaction back to the downside here. ES took out this high and NQ didn't, and I went on a 1 minute. Not gonna lie, I did like that we did inverse this inverse fair value gap here. Let's change this inverse fair value gap. We had an inverse fair value gap here, and I like that we inversed it, but honestly I had got a 15-second change in the state, 15-second entry. I don't recommend nobody entering off the 15-second, but unless like you're like a skilled trader, do you know what you're doing, with high confluences that this is going to go down, like we had a higher time frame SMT. And we had like an internal SMT with these 15-second highs, and I took it off the change in the state. I kind of got like a late entry, but I still like the risk that I had. I entered into 10 cons, and it did retrace, and it almost stopped me out for around like 3 points. So I did almost get stopped out, but it did held that this protected high, and it held that 15-second change in the state. So therefore we dumped back below this inverse fair value gap, and we just kept pushing down. After my real confirmation for this trade, for us to be confident that we're going to go to these lows down here, I know we didn't tap these lows at the time, but we did on ES, so I took out my full position due to that SMT, which was I'm glad I did that, because I would have got completely stopped out if I didn't take it out during that SMT. But yeah, my real confirmation for this trade would have been this 1 minute change in state here, these consecutive up candles. We closed below that, so after we had closed below that, and we also created a 5 minute change in state, I had more confidence that we were going to go to those session lows, which ES did. So I sold my full position, and this trade ran about 165 points or around there. Ended up the day with I did sell half of my position at this low, and then I held the rest until ES took out the session lows. So I ended up the day with $2,600, and I got the account to $6,800. I'm trading a 100K advance account right now, so I got to get the account to 8K, and I've been doing pretty good. This week has been really, really good. I've been catching like pretty good plays, so hopefully tomorrow or Friday, I'm not really rushing the process. If a trade shows an opportunity, I'm going to take it, so that way I can pass this account so I can hurry up and get funded. But yeah, that's nothing else much to say here. Pretty good trade today. Hope you guys have a good day. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna have another trade recap if I do take a trade. Yeah, so that's it. Catch you guys later.